The school year is fast approaching, and we can never believe how fast summer just flies by. And here we are in our back to school preparations. And while we're excited, there are a lot of things to do. And one of those things, of course, is getting your home really prepped for all of the busy activities that are about to come your way. From making sure the mudroom and entryway are organized to creating the right study spaces, we are going to share with you our favorite tips on how to make that transition to the new school year a little bit easier. So we all know that the mudroom becomes that drop zone for all of the kids' things when they come home from school or their activity. So we're going to share with you our favorite things to help make sure that that dump zone can be as organized as possible. In the mudroom, you should incorporate storage solutions like shoe cabinets, hooks, baskets, and trays, really to keep everything in its place. And of course, when budget does allow, we love custom cabinetry, especially in a mudroom, because you can make the space custom to you and your family's needs and all of the stuff that you need to organize. Now, custom cabinetry isn't always an option for everyone, so furniture that serves a dual purpose is perfect for your entry or mudroom. We love a surface that also has drawers, so consider a beautiful cabinet or even a dresser in a mudroom works perfectly. You can store all those things away and every family member can have their own drawer. We also love benches that have storage solutions in addition, so you have that place to sit along with having storage underneath. The drawers in your furniture, whether that's custom cabinetry or not, are a great place to put a charging station. One of the biggest challenges we have as designers is figuring out how to corral people's technology. And these charging drawers or charging cabinets are a perfect way to do that. Our third tip for your mudroom or your entryway is to really just decorate with intention. A mudroom already has a lot going on, so you don't need to decorate the space with a lot of fluff. When adding these finishing touches to your mudroom or entryway, make sure that you do it with intention. Mirrors, rugs, and anything decorative should really be dual purpose and not only be beautiful, but serve a function as well. For instance, a decorative mirror is perfect for any mudroom or entryway. It can be beautiful and add to the style that you're looking for in the space, but of course, it's the perfect place to just check yourself before you enter the door. And a durable rug can be beautiful, and if you choose it right, can hide dirt and be a great place to keep that dirt from coming into the rest of the home. Some of our favorite things to use in a mudroom are trays, baskets, mirrors, and boxes, because they both can be beautiful and you can store things away as well. We love a command center in a mudroom. A command center has typically a calendar, maybe a marker board, anything where you can post all of your family's activities and doings in one location. And of course, this is perfect to just keep everyone in the household on the same page with what's happening and when. And we love some of these command center solutions, especially in a built-in option. They can make your home more organized and help you get everywhere on time. Now, our pets, of course, are home whether we are or not. And the mudroom is the perfect place to not forget about your pet. The perfect place to keep all of their things organized too. We love using water dispensers in a mudroom, roll-out food trays, and even hooks with leashes to help keep everything organized and in one place. Of course, the mudroom and the entryway are not the only places in your home you need to consider for back to school. The home office or anywhere where your kids are going to be doing their homework and all their activities needs to have some priority as well. Of course, we love it when these homework spaces can be a dedicated space so that you can truly have a zone for that activity. But that's not always the case, and we're going to give you some of those solutions as well. We love a custom built-in whenever we can get it, because it really can make use of the space. Any piece of furniture that has a lot of drawers are perfect for these spaces, so you can have a dedicated place for all of the supplies for homework or crafts or art. We, of course, love all baskets, trays, and boxes to corral things both in a mudroom and in a homework area. Of course, task lighting is essential in any space, and in a homework room, it's no different. So we love task lighting because, of course, it's very functional to be able to use the space at any time, but also can serve a decorative purpose. A homework room is a great place to be able to display your child's artwork or any great performance that they have on their test, things like that. We love to have a pin board in a home office because it adds that personal touch and you can share all of your child's favorite things. Of course, you should always mix in some beautiful artwork, which is great for inspiration for all ages. Now, a dedicated space, of course, is always ideal so that you have that one spot that everybody knows is dedicated to homework and study. However, it's not always possible. So we love to find creative ways that we can have a dedicated study space really anywhere. A hallway desk, a dining table, or even a desk behind a sofa can serve as a great study space for your child. The most important thing is that you dedicate this space and have all the same type of storage solution that you would in a room acceptable for your child and all their supplies. You can utilize a hutch or a cabinet to store those things away, and a separate desk to actually perform their work. We hope that these ideas can help jumpstart you and give you the inspiration you need to get ready for back to school. And also head to our website because we're going to share with you some of our favorite ways to help not only make your mudroom or homework room more functional, but beautiful as well.